Hello, people. You know, this I'm right now in Ongole, and these are two of my very, really sweet kids I've met here. Yeah, I mean, I've yet to meet someone as soft and gentle as Chinny, and this is Hepzibah. So that's what this channel of mine has over 1,000 videos and over close to 300 subscribers. Yeah, more than that thing. So it's y'all would want to say something about the program. Did you all enjoy your time here? తెలుగులోనే చెప్పు.
చాలా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను మేడం. మిమ్మల్ని చాలా మిస్ అయ్యాను. నేను ఫస్ట్ బ్యాచ్ అయినా కానీ మిమ్మల్ని చాలా మిస్ అవుతున్నాను. మీ క్లాస్ వినాలని నేను వచ్చాను తెలుసా.
So sweet. Yeah, thank you.
I miss you, ma'am.
Really, I'm also getting emotional. Wow, yeah. See, I'm going to upload this video and then I'll send you all the link.
Okay, ma'am.
Because it's been so beautiful handling these batches, and I'm actually getting emotional, yeah, because today is pretty much the last day now. Students are leaving today, right? So it's see, and the tide
Madam,
and
touch lo unnadi, ma'am.
yes, definitely, for sure. So see, we'll upload this video and I'll send the link to you immediately, you know.
Okay, ma'am.
So then you all please subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.